Okay, girls, we're going to start our new topic on linear equations. And our first lesson is on solving linear equations. I love this topic. I love doing algebra. Um, so I hope that you're as excited as I am. I really am. I know. In these videos, I'm not going to be doing a lot of theory because it's more like revision, recapping. So what I suggest you do is I'm going only going to do examples for all these videos. So what I suggest you do is that you see, for example, the question that I have in here, you try to solve it. And if you are okay, then move on, watch the next one. And in case that you struggle and say, oh, I'm not sure, then you watch the video how I solve it and take notes on how I solve it. Hopefully in this way you're revising a little bit, and at the same time I can help you with the videos on solving some of those questions that you may have. Okay, so let's start. First example. These type of questions are the ones where you have to determine if it's a solution. So it says, for each of the following equations, determine whether x equal 10 is a solution. So the way that we do this is if it's a solution, then if I sub in x equals 10 in the first equation, for example, then I will get to the answer that is equal to 6. Some of you might be able to do this in your head, but I'm going to do it step by step because the process of the video is to explain how to do it. And as I said, you do it, and if you're okay with this, then go ahead and jump or put me to speak very, very fast so that you don't have to listen to everything that I'm going to say here. Okay, so I'm going to do A first. So the most important thing when you're doing algebra is how you set up your work, okay? So I'm going to simulate here exactly the same way that I want you to write it down in your book. I'm putting A and I'm going to write it with pencil, and I'm going to say x plus 2 over 3 equals 6. I want you to see something. I put the equal sign in between of the vinculum or the fraction here because the whole fraction is going to be equal to 6. And now that I have established what is my equal sign here, I'm going to work downwards and I'm going to always align that equal sign, okay? So it says if x is equal to 10. So if x is equal to 10, I'm going to sub in that 10. I'm going to put it with blue here, and I'm going to say, okay, 10, I'm subbing in, is equal plus 2 over 3 is equal to 6. And then I solve that up. So order of operations, I have to add that first. So I say 12 over 3 is equal to 6. And I get that 4 equal to 6. And is that true? 4 equal to 6? No, it's not true. Therefore, it's not going to be an answer for the first one. I just noticed that I was saying that I was going to align the equal signs and I didn't, but please in your notes align it, okay, girls? Okay, let's do underneath here, let's do B. So B, pencil says 2x plus 3 equals 3x, take away 7. Okay, again, if I sub in x equals 10, so I get that I have to do 2 times 10. I'm going to put brackets around this. I know that there are no brackets in the original, but because I know that I have to do this multiplication first, I'm going to do brackets so I don't forget and I don't get confused. Plus 3 equal, I'm trying to align the equals, it's not working. And then I put here brackets again, 3 times 10, then take away 7. Okay, and let's continue. So this is 20 plus 3 equal 30. Take away 7. And then I say 10, this one is 23 equal 23. Beautiful. So I got that 23 is equal to 23. Therefore, my answer here, x equal 10 is a solution. I should have written here, therefore, x equals 10 is not a solution. Okay, let's do C. So in C, why don't we do C in CAS? Or maybe I'm going to do it both ways. I'm going to do it here in pen and paper, and I'm also going to solve it with CAS. So we can also practice how we use our calculator in these cases. Okay, so then I'm going to sub in. I'm actually going to copy first because I'm modeling what I want you to do. So I want you to copy it first. X squared, take away 2x equal 9x, take away 10. Wonderful. And now I'm going to sub in. So I'm going to sub in x is equal to 10 squared, take away 2 times 10 equal 9 times 10 take away 10. So then I'm going to solve this underneath. So this one is going to be equal to 100, take away 20 is equal to 90, take away 10, and that's 80 equal 80. Therefore, x equals 10 is a solution. Wonderful. In the next video, I'm going to do the next type of examples. Thank you for watching.